Hello everyone. So for Unit 1, Essential Question 4, about how humans are interacting with their environment, we're going to do an environment gallery walk. In brick and mortar, a gallery walk, you'd have stations around the room or maybe even in the hallway. You would have a guiding sheet with you and you would visit each station that would have like a picture or a quote or a political cartoon and answer the questions. Today we have 4 slides, 4 different environments that you are going to interact with. So here's where the instructional video is about to go, but humans need 3 basics for survival: food, water, and shelter. Explore 4 environments and decide how accessible or easy it is for humans to find food, water, and shelter in each. Remember to consider protection from invaders and farmland. Watch the video, which is this. So I have 2 examples. The first is mountains. On each slide I have pro, con, and other comments. You might have more cons for one environment than pros. It just varies. So pros, protection from invaders, okay? It's hard to travel up mountains, so mountains protect that. There should be lakes and rivers for humans to get water. Mountains will have vegetation and animals you can eat, or you can also use the skins and the furs for clothing. There are also trees, rocks, and caves for shelter. Cons, isolation from other communities. It's hard to get up there. Travel is hard. So while it protects from invaders, it would be difficult to go up and down with your belongings. Could be rocky and hard to clear farmland. Okay. Other comments, I wasn't sure whether I wanted to put this in a pro or a con, so I chose to put it in other comments. Elevation could be so high that it's too cold year-round, and that would impact water and vegetation. The other example I have is tropical rainforest. So the pros, looking at this, plants and animals for food and clothing are there. There should be an abundance of water, precipitation. A rainforest is a rainforest because of the rain. And there are lots of trees to build shelter. Thinking about warm, moist environments, bugs are probably there, and bugs cause sickness. And the vegetation could be too thick to clear farmland. And then my other comments, unsure if thick vegetation could offer protection, but surely there are enough trees to build protection, like a fort, a wall. Now that you've seen these 2 examples, you have 4 to explore on your own. You have river valley, desert, plains, and grasslands. On each slide, I have pros, cons, and other comments. You're going to look at the photo and you're going to consider, can they get water? Is water accessible? Is food accessible? Shelter, protection. And we're going to do that for deserts, plains, grassland, river valley. And then you're going to upload your assignment, do your 2 to 3 minute brain eye break, and then Unit 1 Quizlet until our synchronous time.